Welcome back to the Road Rival, your ultimate destination for car reviews and automotive passion. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio, a luxury SUV that continues to blend Italian style, thrilling performance, and premium comfort into one irresistible package. Design and exterior. The 2025 Stelvio retains its unmistakable Italian flair, featuring a refined version of the classic triangular grille, sharper LED headlights, and more sculpted body lines that enhance its sporty stance. With new color options and available 21-inch alloy wheels, the Stelvio doesn't just drive well, it demands attention wherever it goes. Interior and technology. Step inside, and the Stelvio welcomes you with a perfect balance of sophistication and sportiness. Premium leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and a redesigned center console make the cabin feel more luxurious than ever. A new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and updated infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep drivers connected and in control, all while maintaining Alfa's signature driver-focused layout. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the Stelvio offers a range of powertrains, from the spirited 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder to the ferocious 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 found in the Quadrifoglio model. With precise steering, near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, and available all-wheel drive, the Stelvio delivers the kind of sharp, responsive driving dynamics that few SUVs can match. Final thoughts. The 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio continues to set itself apart by offering a unique blend of performance, luxury, and undeniable Italian charm. Whether you crave daily comfort or thrilling weekend drives, the Stelvio stands ready to deliver an experience that's anything but ordinary. Stay tuned to the Road Rival for more reviews, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for your regular dose of automotive excellence.